Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Legacy of You Updated. Begin by learning your character's basic moves, timing combos, and priority targeting to control the flow of battle. Focus on mastering one build, tracking cooldowns, and optimizing gear for your playstyle. Practice spacing and resource management in low-stakes matches, review match footage to refine reactions, and use quick communication with teammates to coordinate objectives now. Start by understanding the control layout and core mechanics for movement and combat. Map essential abilities to comfortable keys and refine timing with a practice dummy. Learn high-impact combos, when to cancel animations, and how to chain attacks for maximum damage. Prioritize survivability through defensive options like dodges and blocks. Experiment with different builds to see what complements your role, then lock in a favorite before ranked play for practice. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and updates. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that stack neatly and fit in backpacks. They save time when prepping lunches between sessions and make snacks tournament safe. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set if you travel with food. Now let's get back to the video. Map awareness and objective control win games beyond pure combat prowess. Constantly check timers for spawns, secure neutral objectives, and deny enemies resource points. Use vision and pings to rotate safely and force favorable fights near structures. Coordinate with teammates for synchronized engages and bait plays. Adapt your itemization to counter opponents and exploit weaknesses, and keep a growth mindset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.